Hi, Marta Vale here with pasquafordahomes.com, powered by MVP Realty. Welcome to this gorgeous and spacious mini mansion in Maple Ridge at Ave Maria. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a 3-car garage. Let's go and see it. Upon entering, a spectacular water view greets you. The kitchen, a chef's dream, offers plenty of cabinet and counter space, complemented by a built-in desk. Sit back and relax on your lanai with picture-frame screens to cherish the stunning long lake views. This home is an amazing version of an open floor plan and simultaneously very versatile. Your dining room can serve as that, or a homeschool and study room. Your formal living area as that, or an office space. The large sunny loft as a workout or media and game space, or combine however you wish. Upstairs offers a master suite with a master bathroom and 2 bedrooms connected with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Downstairs provides a guest suite with a full bath that is also directly accessible from the foyer. The home's neutral color palette enables you to personalize the home easily. Screen in the front porch for added outdoor space. Plenty of room in the back for a pool, with pre-wiring already installed. The oversized lot provides abundant outdoor space for entertainment, with parking for all of your guests on the extensive driveway. Oh, and don't forget to check out your clubhouse with tons of amenities including resort-style pool, fitness rooms, sauna, and club activities. For more information, call me at 239-232-5563. Thank you and God bless you.